Okay, so for today's deep dive, we're looking at a really interesting piece of kit.
Yeah, the Datavideo SA-1200. It's a 6-input switcher.
And it comes bundled with the RMC-260 controller. Our mission here is to really unpack this thing, see how it streamlines HD video production for, live events, broadcast, even education.
And what's so fascinating is that the sources are calling it a great equalizer. It combines the SE-1200MU switcher with that physical RMC-260 controller.
Right.
And the big claim, the one we really have to dig into, is that this is the only 6-input switcher in the world that gives you 3 distinct ways to control it.
And we should probably talk about the price, shouldn't we? Because it lists for around $2,500, but the sources keep saying it's like an all for under $2,000 kind of package.
Exactly. And I think that's the real insight. It's not just about the number of inputs.
No.
It's the sheer adaptability. They've basically democratized high-end control. You're getting a physical board, software control, and remote IP access for a price where competitors might just give you the box.
So let's break down those 3 pillars, starting with the IP control. I mean, lots of switchers have some kind of remote access. What makes this one genuinely different?
The key is the multi-view.
Okay.
It can stream its 10-channel multi-view output in real time right to your PC, so you're not just clicking buttons blindly.
You're actually seeing what you're doing. You have full remote monitoring and control over the whole mix from, potentially miles away.
Right, which solidifies that remote capability. Then, of course, you have the standard computer control path.
The complementary software.
Yeah, for quick local stuff.
Yeah.
But if you're doing a high-pressure live show, isn't relying just on software a bit of a risk? I mean, latency, a mouse click.
And that is the perfect lead-in to the RMC-260 controller. That's where it earns its keep. It's this large, ergonomic, dedicated alternative.
It's a proper switcher console.
It is. It has those clearly defined tactile keys. It's built for operators who rely on muscle memory for instant cuts, not someone who has time to find a cursor.
Okay, so the control flexibility is there. But let's talk about the muscle that makes that control worth having. What are we looking at for I/O?
So the connectivity really confirms that hybrid approach. You get 6 total video inputs.
And the split is critical.
It is. It's 4 HD SDI and 2 HDMI. So you can run your pro broadcast cameras right alongside a laptop or a consumer camcorder.
And for outlets?
4 outs, 2 of each type, plus 2 balanced XLR audio inputs, which is huge for pro sound.
All right, now for the real brains of the operation, the mixed effects processor, this is where the magic happens.
It is. You get 2 upstream keyers, and they support both chroma key,
For green screen work.
right, and linear luma keying. And you also
Oh.
get 2 downstream keyers for your lower thirds and logos.
Walk me through a real-world scenario with that. The sources say the picture-in-picture function can be assigned to any of the 4 keyers. Why is that such a big deal?
Oh, it's a huge deal for workflow. In a more rigid system, your PIP might be stuck on one specific layer.
So you have to route everything through that one path.
Exactly. It gets complicated. Here, you can just drop a PIP layer anywhere in your stack instantly. It keeps everything incredibly flexible mid-show.
Got it. Okay, that makes sense.
And we mentioned the multi-view, which is great. You only need 1 monitor. Plus, you get 12 user memory settings, tally output, and it's all in a tidy 1U rack mount size.
But wait, we've missed one massive thing. The internal frame synchronizers.
On all 6 inputs.
On every single one. And that is not standard at this price point. Not even close.
Wow. So if we zoom out, what does this all mean? What's the big takeaway?
I mean, you're getting professional grade switching with truly unparalleled control flexibility, physical software, and remote IP at a price that makes it accessible for like an educational institution or a small venue.
Without sacrificing those critical pro features.
Exactly. Which brings us to the final thought we want to leave you with. Given that this unit handles 4.2.2 video from SDI and 4.4.4 from HDMI, and it has frame syncs on every single input, the question to mull over is this. How might that synchronized multi-format architecture fundamentally change the way professional and educational content is blended in real time during a live hybrid production?